te pido un beso, ven dámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo, llevo tiempo intentándolo. Mami, esto es dando y dándolo. Sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace bamba.
Assalamualaikum. First, the aluminium workpiece needs to be measured to a length of 50 mm using a vernier head gauge. Second, the workpiece needs to be clamped in the chuck and tightened using a chuck key so that the cutting work can be carried out perfectly. At 90 rpm, turn on the grinder for the cutting session. After that, to get a flat surface, start the process of facing the workpiece. This workpiece will be cube shaped, so there are 90 degrees on each side. As we measure before to reach 50 mm, the workpiece needs to be fit from the original shape.
Abang tidur je dulu bang. Esok baru abang sambung bang. Hari ni tak payah bang. Tidur.
Okay, next step, you must, in order to get 50 mm length of each cube, the cutting process needs to be carried out to meet the requirement of the criteria.
Hampa ingat buat motor ni sangit tu. Yang hampa duk kata mak motor ni tak ada duit ni. Rim saja pun nak dekat 1000 kot. Enjin saja nak buat takut 15k tak lipio.
The last process is to do a flat surface process for each surface of the cube to look beautiful. Before forgetting, after finishing the work, make sure the machine is closed and do the cleaning process. For reminder, put all the tools that we use at their place back. Before sending the result of the project, Tuan Zabidi's lecturer made a measurement inspection.
Aduh bang, apa yang abang fikir lagi ni bang? Duit dalam bank tu dah banyak sangat dah bang. Kita ni tak elok simpan banyak sangat duit bang. Membazir kalau abang tak belanja duit tu tau. Fikir